This week you located a lot of very interesting videos, and I really enjoyed watching all of them. And I pulled them together on one document that I have uploaded. One of the things I'd like to point out is how the speakers used visuals to tell their story. In this particular visual, it's more like a typical business slide, in which the argument was made that a little bit of storytelling can go here, or can provide evidence, or provide interest. And the reader was saying we spend too much time on topics. The video about Steve Jobs and storytelling, he's famous for it, and I know you know that, but I'd like to point out of how he used visuals in this one presentation. He started out with his Mac and moved to the iPod. And then he talked about the internet connector. And then he revealed the iPhone. One of the items I picked up that I simply did not know, that Nike has an official storyteller, Nelson Ferris. I didn't know that, and I've included a link to an article about him. Well, I hope this has provided some insight for this particular activity.